Coming at you from Big Tone Production Beats and Feast. You know it's Friday. You know it's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do something a little special. We're going to do some garlic and parmesan encrusted potato wedges. If you watched my previous video, which I'm sure you have, if you haven't, go check it out. I'll wait. Anyway, you know I got one of the new products that everybody's been raving about is an air fryer. So I got the Power Air Fryer Elite. 5.5 quart, and I did an unboxing for it earlier, and go check that out again. Hey, but we're gonna try this as my first little experimental recipe. Potato wedges, very simple, quick, fast, and easy. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video, guys. That's important. I really appreciate all you guys who've done that thus far. But let's get started with these potato wedges. To get started with this, as always, I start with my supporting cast. So for this, is very simple, very easy. We just need a little bit of vegetable oil. This is about a half a cup. Pink Himalayan sea salt. You guys know I don't leave home without it. A little bit of smoked paprika. Some seasoning salt, lies. And then of course I got my minced garlic. And then some black pepper a little bit. And I got my little parmesan here, so we'll be sprinkling this on last, actually. And of course, the star of the show, potato wedges. So this is 2 potatoes cut up as wedges. And then for the air fryer Elite, or any air fryer, from what I'm finding out, is that you gotta have some spray oil. That keeps everything nice and moist, but you don't have to use very much. But you gotta have a little bit of spray oil here. So let's put this whole thing together. First thing I'm gonna do, got my potato wedges here, cut up. Like I said, this is 2 large Idaho potatoes. Take a half a cup of oil and just cover the potatoes pretty good. All right, next thing we're gonna add is my pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm not gonna use a lot of this because I'm using our seasoning salt as well. A little bit of sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt. And then we're gonna sprinkle on my garlic here. Now you do as much as you want. I like garlic. I love garlic. So I'm gonna sprinkle on probably about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, probably 2 tablespoons. 2 heaping tablespoons. All right. And I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of black pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna hit it with my live seasoning salt. And last but not least, my smoked paprika. For a little bit of color. Now you can put anything you want to in this, guys. You can put, you know, cayenne pepper if you want them to have a little bit of kick to it. You do what you want to. This is the fun part of cooking. So we're gonna take this and I'm just gonna cover it up. And then I'm gonna shake it up in the bowl here. Try to get all the oil mixed on all of the product, all the potatoes. Mix them up here pretty good. Get the garlic everywhere. As well as I'm gonna kind of stir them around here with my tongs a little bit. You know, all tasty. All marinated in that oil and garlic. Look at that. It's coming together. Coming together. Alright guys. Like I said, this is a very simple, quick, fast, and easy recipe. But since this is my very first video, I wanted to try something with my Power Air Fryer Elite, guys. So, next step is I have the Power Air Fryer Elite. I went through the trouble and went ahead and just put some aluminum foil on the bottom just because it's got moisture and it's got garlic on it. I didn't want to get it everywhere. But there you go, as you can see. So we're going to take our potatoes and I'm going to try not to overlap them here. We're just going to place them in here. I'll get a shot of that here in just a second. We're gonna place them in here on one layer. I'm gonna try to do one layer. I might overlap a little bit, guys. And there we go. So I got a little bit of oil here left, and I'm gonna drizzle some of this over the top. All right. Just discard these, put these over to the side. So there we go, if you can see. So they're all in here. Potato wedges inside of the air fryer. I'm gonna pop it back in. There we go. As you can see, it comes up with these 3 little lines. I'm gonna hit the power button, and I'm gonna hit the preset. They got a preset button up here. The M in the middle, and the first one is the French fries. So 390, 20 minutes. I'm gonna increment that up. Oops, I did the temperature control. I'm gonna increment the time up to 24 minutes. They say between 18 and 20 minutes, 22 minutes, but I'm gonna increment it to 24. Now I'm gonna stop this halfway through, so I'll stop at about 12 minutes or so, and then I'll flip the potatoes over and probably give them a spritz of oil. But we're gonna wait and see what happens. Here we go. Starting up, guys. Let's see how these potato wedges come out. All right, guys, so I've taken these out here about halfway point, and as you can see, they're really getting there, really getting there. Hope you guys can see that. So I'm gonna flip them over here. There we go. All right, so I can see this. These are almost done, guys. They're almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese and sprinkle over the top of them. Tad bit more. There we go. And that's another reason why you don't have to add a lot of salt to these, because that Parmesan is going to be really salty. So we're going to stick this back in. There we go. And we're going to put this on manual here, 360 again. But we're going to put it on for 10 minutes. We're going to let this go for 10 minutes more. These things came out great. Look at them. Look at them. Nice golden brown. I'm going to plate these up for you guys so you can see them really good here. So just give me a moment. We'll get these plated up for you. I told you I'd plate these up for you. Look at these fries, man. Look at them. I like it so far. I like it. Kind of warm. I mean, it's got heat coming from the top, so I like it, guys. These are great. Nice and crispy. I mean, took about 20, give or take, 25, 30 minutes. But they crisped up nice. Take a little bite for you. Oh man. Perfectly tender on the inside. The outside's got the crispiness to it. I like this thing so far. I want you guys to pay attention to my next video. I'm gonna try to do some fried chicken in this thing. So that'll be a bigger test for it. But so far, Power Air Fryer Elite. Thumbs up for me so far. Go get you one. Did a great job on these fries, guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.